Oh, look at that. It's like all thick. Wow. Pretty thick. All over the place. All over. Pretty cool, huh? Seems like only the open areas got hit.